The price of the Sandbox/Sand coin right now is $0.7682. It has lost 1% in the past 24 hours. The price of Sand ended higher than it started 49.88% of the time. One Sand has ever been sold for as much as $7.40 in our base. That was 2 years and 3 months ago, and the price is now minus 89.62% lower than that high point. Out of 17 technical indicators, 12 say to buy and 1 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction opinion is bullish. The first big uptrend resistance for Sand is at $0.8698. It needs to close above that level in order to keep going up. The bottom support for the trend is at $0.7324. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.7324. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is at 69.63, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. The RSI is at 29.18 on the weekly chart, which means the price is oversold. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. Right now, the price of Sandbox is above all of the 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs. Most of the time, the price of Sand on the last day of March was higher than the open price. Only once did the price fall below the price at the beginning of the month. In the last 5 years, October has been the best month for the Sandbox. 3 times as much Sand was sold at the end of October as it was at the beginning of the month. 3 times out of 5, the price at the end of September was less than the starting price. September is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. There were 2 bull runs for the Sandbox. The first one started in August 2020 and ended in August 2022. The price of the Sandbox dropped to its lowest point of $0.0318 just 68.04 days later. It took about a year from August 2020 to hit a new all-time high. It's been 840 days since the last bull run in November 2021. It took 450 days for Sand to hit a new all-time high the last time. The Sandbox price estimate says that the price of Sand could reach $0.9114 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $1.51 in 2025 and $3.03 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $9.64. $1.51 is what people think Sandbox will be worth in 2025. That's the highest price we think Sand will go to, and the lowest price we think it will go to is $1.10.